Electroluminescence, the cold light. Have you ever wondered how a smartphone screen stays so vibrant, or why modern light bulbs last for years without burning out? While they seem like totally different worlds, they're both powered by a single incredible phenomenon called electroluminescence, or EL for short, the secret engine behind almost every light source we use today. This cool tech is an optical and electrical process where a semiconductor directly emits light when an electric current or strong electric field passes through it. This is a huge change from the old way. Unlike the light bulb, which wastes most energy as heat just to get a filament glowing hot, EL is a cold light. The core mechanism and the way EL system works is beautifully simple. It has two main components, electricity and a special semiconductor material. One, the energy input, the elevator. When electricity is applied, it injects energy into the material. This energy acts like a tiny elevator, pushing the electrons within the material's atoms up to a higher, unstable energy level. Two, light emission, the drop. Electrons hate being unstable. They instantly fall back down to their original, stable energy level. As they fall, they release that excess energy not as heat, but as a tiny packet of light, a photon. This entire process is about using electrical energy to force a temporary jump, and the resulting light is the energy released when the electron drops back down. The color of the light is determined by the size of the jump, the material's chemistry. The materials uses both inorganic versus organic to determine the final product. 1. Inorganic EL, the workhorse. This uses hard, durable semiconductor crystals. This is the foundation of the LED, light-emitting diode. They are highly focused, incredibly efficient, and used for lighting everything from your headlights to the general illumination in your home. 2. Organic EL, the display master. This uses wafer-thin films made of specialized organic carbon-based materials. This is the foundation of the OLED, organic light-emitting diode. And there are two observation cycles. 1. LED, the point source. When an LED turns on, it creates an intense, focused light beam. This is fantastic for brightness and efficiency, but to light up a TV, you need hundreds of them working together as a backlight. OLED, the independent pixel. In an OLED display, the organic films are so thin and precise that every single pixel is its own light source. When the TV wants to show black, it just turns that specific pixel off. This immediate, complete shutoff gives you perfect, true black and stunning, infinite contrast. Furthermore, the ability to print these organic materials allows the method to go deeper, enabling the development of truly flexible and bendable displays that provide designers with data on how to achieve thinner, lighter devices. This amazing piece of science is at work in devices all around you, from the illumination provided by your bedroom ceiling lamp to the vibrant display of your pocket-sized smartphone, OLED screen. The placement of these technologies is determined by the need for high efficiency, LED. Just a quick heads up. While incredibly efficient, the materials in EL devices can degrade over a very long time, which is why older LED or OLED displays might eventually appear to dim or show a slight color shift. But even with this limitation, the technology is performing an incredible hidden light and shadow show that powers our digital world. It is, quite simply, an amazing piece of simple science. When you see a bright display or an efficient light source, remember the incredible hidden light and shadow show of electroluminescence that tells the entire detailed story of modern illumination. If you like more content like this, please like and subscribe to our channel.